What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making shredded beef empanadas. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need chuck roast, empanada dough, quesadilla cheese, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, orange bell pepper, red bell pepper, jalapeno pepper, cilantro, yellow onion, garlic, crushed tomatoes, beef broth, orange juice, lime juice, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, adobo seasoning, oregano, smoked paprika, ground allspice, and chipotle chili pepper. Begin by mincing 5 cloves of garlic, dice a half a green bell pepper, dice a half a orange bell pepper, dice a half a red bell pepper, dice a half a yellow bell pepper, dice a jalapeno pepper, dice a half a yellow onion, chop up some cilantro, season chuck roast with adobo seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, oregano, chipotle chili pepper, and ground allspice. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a hot Dutch oven. Sear the roast on each side for approximately 4 minutes. Remove the roast. Add more olive oil if needed. Add the diced vegetables and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 14 ounces of crushed tomatoes. Add 3/4 cups of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and 2 cups of beef broth. Season the sauce to taste with salt and black pepper. Place the roast in the sauce. Add a half cup of water. Cover with a lid and cook on a medium heat for 2 hours or until tender. Once the roast is done, remove the roast from the sauce. Shred the roast. Place the shredded beef back in the sauce and allow to simmer for 5 minutes. Now let's make these delicious empanadas. Add about a tablespoon of roast and a tablespoon of quesadilla cheese onto the empanada dough. Fold the dough over to one side and press the edges down. Use a fork to seal around the edges. Fry the empanadas for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And there you have it, shredded beef empanadas. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.